Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AUPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And let's get some things updated here. Now, hey, Clay, what do you think about the chart? Well, it depends. What do I mean by it depends? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 10 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things, then the chart is still perfectly fine. The bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher low, and that's important because overall higher lows, higher bases are how the long-term uptrends are built. And of course, if you care about the big picture, then that's what you want, right? You want to see those long-term uptrends. So that is still totally in play. So, and that's the perspective I'm going to be doing this analysis from. So if you think I sound crazy or something, my guess would be you probably had a different strategy or perspective going in than what I'm talking about and doing this, presentation from. So the first part to kind of map out is I want to do a little house cleaning here and just get rid of a couple of these lines. Yes, these lines still pertain. So if you want to leave them in, that's still more than, that would be perfectly fine. But again, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the big thing here is the levels of support. And this is represented by 2 points. Right here, this green line here, 275. And then the other point, as I talked about yesterday, the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Just to illustrate kind of the big picture perspective is, yes, there's no doubt about it. This has been a very deep pullback. But even if, let's say, the pullback goes down some more and then bounces, right around the purple line and this green line right here before heading back up, even at that point in time, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. You'd have this previous set down there. So if you picture each one of those as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So sure, today was a deep pullback, and pullbacks aren't exactly fun or anything, but taking a step back, looking at more than just 1 day, right? Because today's price action on the pullback is just 1 day. Looking at multiple days, the bulls can still continue on and build this uptrend. So that's why those higher lows are important. In regards to levels of resistance, 325 still going to be that key one. Yes, the price did break above it today for a little bit, but the price could not maintain above it. Therefore, this has still got to be considered that initial area of resistance. So all in all, yes, not the most exciting day, but the bulls are still in charge. And as long as they keep on building those higher bases, that's the key. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.